Blue Mountain Car Show in Wheatland, Wyoming, July 10th, 2021. Looks like a pretty good turnout today. All kinds of different stuff here. Walk down the street, have a look.
Something overwhelming that I just can't hide. I wanna know. Oh yeah. Oh, tell me.
Race cars.
What kind of love is this?
Little race cars.
What kind of love is this that haunts me every day? I wanna know. What kind of love is this that makes me say the things I say?
Transformer type cars, I guess. One big one, one small one.
I'm crazy, but I just don't care. I wanna know. Oh yeah.
You got big trucks.
Oh, tell me.
Cool flag. Makes you feel patriotic.
Well, I feel like a man in outer space. I'm acting like a psycho case. Hey girl, stop this feeling. Look at me, you got me rocking in the reeling. Yeah. What
Pretty early in the morning yet. Everybody's just trying to get ready to do the show. Wait for the crowd to show up. Nice to walk through, but it's still somewhat cool.
All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the second annual Blue Mountain Car Show. Just a few quick announcements. Registration goes on until 10 o'clock. If you have not done that, please go do that. The farmer's market is in the pocket park, so if you've not been over here and see what they're selling, do that before they're gone about 9:30, 10 o'clock.
One of the Duke boys are actually going to be here today, Tom Wopat. Here's the General Lee. Like the Corvette Club here. Chevrolet with his air conditioner on. Pretty blue pickup. Galaxies, Fairlanes, T-Birds, Mustangs, 55 Chevrolet. That's a good looking 70-mile point right there. But it always has to park next to that T-Bird, that pink T-Bird right there. That T-Bird gets lots of looks. There's a plum crazy Challenger, plum crazy purple. SS Camaro soft top. More Mustangs, Camaro, even the propane truck came. There's our friend from Torrington with his Dodge. Well, looks like it's going to be a fun day. Wish you were here.